Okay, I just discovered this brand new app which you can use to make some decent passive income for free. It requires less than 1 minute of work and you can do it again and again, basically unlimited times. But first, let me introduce myself to you. My channel name is MMO Strategies, Make Money Online Strategies. So yes, you can see I'm making some strategies. I'm a brand new channel, so you can definitely subscribe and check out all my other videos because all of they are like step by step on how to do it and where to go, and you're gonna just start making money in the end of the video. So first, you're gonna have to watch this video till the end and make sure you do everything what I do, and you will start earning money by the end of the video. You're gonna be all ready and set to go. So basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna get other people to do the work for you without spending a single dollar. So if that doesn't sound like a pretty good deal to you, then I don't know what to say, man. I don't know what to say. But yeah, so first let me show you the payment proof. Yeah, people are getting like, look at this guy, $6. Yeah, but you're not gonna make like $2 and $6. And look at this guy. This guy made $25. That's really good. Yeah, pretty much you're gonna make like this amount in a day. Maybe if you do everything what I do, you will make this amount of dollars. So the website that you're gonna work in is gonna be Volotic. You're gonna earn money by reading emails. That sounds like a really good way to earn money, like really easy. You know what you do? You just click on an email and it's gonna send you to a link, and you're gonna wait like 15 seconds and you're gonna get paid. But that's definitely not the thing that you're gonna do, because it just doesn't pay that well. You know, you're gonna be earning like $1 a day or something, and yeah, that's it. But with the way I'm gonna show you, you're absolutely gonna kill it. You're gonna make a lot more money than $1. Okay, so yeah, let's just go. First off, you're gonna have to register. Like always, you have to register. You're gonna put your username, email, password, confirm your password, and you really don't have to do this. You can leave it blank. You're gonna have to accept these two, and you can not check this, because yeah, they will send you emails. It's not really needed, but you can check it if you want. Okay, after you register, you're gonna get this email. It can be in the spam folder or in inbox. Then you will just click on this and return to homepage, and yeah, you're just gonna have to log into your account. This is where you land. Basically, you can see I have earned zero money because of course this is a brand new account, and you're not really gonna do this. You see this referral link, right? You see this. This is what will make you money, man. So what will you do? You will go to this not new website, but the website I'm gonna show you, and you're gonna create a add the call to action, and yeah, you will just get people to register into this website with your referral link. So what will you do? In addition to that, we pay you commission from your referral earnings up to 6 levels. So first level will be 50%, 60%, 70%, 80%, 90%, and you're gonna make 100% of what your referral made. Okay, so you will basically make the money that your referrals are making. So you get 100 people, they make $1 a day, so you get paid $100 a day. And you're not stealing from anyone, because they are making the amount they have to make. You're just making plus. So probably you're gonna make a lot of money there. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to do this, everything step by step. Every single one of my videos are like this. So yeah, you take this and you go to sniply.io. Well, yeah. So basically you're gonna create an add to call action to every link you share. So first off, you're gonna have to get started. It's all free, don't worry. I know this, but you can just start your free trial. It doesn't matter, really. So you're just gonna have to create an account. You can make it with Facebook or Twitter, or you can just create it with your email. It doesn't matter. So yeah. Now, after you get to here, you're first off, what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna look for how to make money online, or easy ways to make money online, or anything. So you're just gonna have to get one of the blogs articles, you know. So you're just gonna copy their link, and you're going to go to sniply.io, and you're gonna enter your URL. Okay, then click to create a snip. Easy. It is so easy, man. More strategies, button, text link. So you're gonna go and create a text link. Actually, you want a button. Enter your message here. This is what you will do. Earn money by reading emails. Start here. Nice. Then you're gonna take your referral link. Where's the referral link? Boom. And just do this. Continue. Yes, my friend. You're gonna edit this. I'm not gonna edit it. And finish call to action. Okay. Okay, after you create the link, alright, then this is how it's gonna look. I actually had to change the link because it didn't work for some reason. So I changed it, and look at this. Earn money by reading emails. This is like an ad. But it's for free. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna copy your link and go to Facebook or Quora or anything, and you're gonna go to groups, Facebook groups, and any other like money making strategies things, you know, everywhere where you can find people that want to make money. You're gonna show them how to make money, this website, plus they're gonna see this earn money by, plus they're gonna see this like earn money by reading emails. Oh my god, wow. And basically they're just gonna start. They're gonna press start here, because who doesn't want to make money like just reading emails, just by reading emails. And Volotic will actually pay you $1 for every dollar your referral make. Yeah, you're basically gonna make $1 a day from every referral, and it's not that hard to make a referral, to get a referral. So yeah, basically guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you, and you can always subscribe and put notifications on so you don't miss any of the strategies. You can like and you can comment if you want. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.